Verona Suprema. The unique combination of functionality and a sleek, slim design makes this model perfect for a prestigious doctor whose practice may be limited on space. It is attractive and large enough to make a professional impression on patients without overwhelming the office. The chair, table, faux Raptor arm, lamp, and exam equipment are controlled by a centralized keypad on the unit. The chair is operated by the keypad with push-button options to slide forward and back, as well as up and down. Simple and easy manual adjustments allow the chair to swivel, recline, and rotate. The built-in armrests and footrest can be adjusted or moved out of the way, and the chair itself can be completely detached from the table to make space for a wheelchair-bound patient or a patient of any body type. These adaptability features make Verona Suprema ADA compliant. The table offers a motorized system to adjust for height and swivels and slides manually. There is space for 2 instruments on the table, so the doctor can quickly and easily switch from one equipment to the next, depending on what exam instruments are needed. All functionality can be calibrated to the doctor's specific equipment and preferences. The table also features a magnetic safety locking system, so that the exam instruments will stay in place during exams. The Verona Suprema also offers the Lift Boy feature, an exclusive functionality from Visionaire. This serves to automatically adjust the table height to compensate for the difference in height between both optical instruments. Simply by switching from one instrument to the other, the motorized table will adjust automatically, so the table moves to the correct height for the new instrument. The faux Raptor arm and lamp are electronically controlled by the centralized keypad. You can raise and lower the faux Raptor arm into exam position and control the intensity of the lamp with the touch of a button. The lamp is also manually adjustable to find the perfect angle and location for lighting. The control panel keypad sits atop a sleek table design with 2 drawers for storage, and the keypad can even be set up to control the lights in the examination room directly from the unit. The Verona Suprema encompasses a stylish design, made with high-quality European mechanisms that are built to last. The color scheme is completely customizable, and the model is sized perfectly to include all of the features you will need. The sleek and comfortable design brings a warmth to your practice, so patients can feel relaxed during exams. And the functionality of the Verona Suprema is high-end and made for utmost durability. The Verona Suprema offers a simple and user-friendly experience to doctors and a relaxing, comfortable experience for patients. Offer your patients comfort and gain the practical functionality you need with a Verona Suprema in your practice. US Ophthalmic. A vision that inspires yours.